if you ain't fighting to put it on, it's the wrong size, sis. So don't look at me like that. She ain't get that thing on. It's the right size. Jazzaboos, it's your girl Jackie with JAZZETS, and if you're a subscriber already, you already know what it is. Thank you for rocking with me, and if you're new here, then you can go ahead and kick off the shoes and relax your feet. Hit the like and subscribe because it is free. Yeah, it's free. It's free. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. Today I'm getting my stuff set up now, and I was initially going to get up and work out, but my work always consumes me or whatever, and it's a good time for me to go ahead and get this out of the way. Like I said, this is my brand. I'm going to go ahead and put on my waist trainer because I'm going to put it on since I'm not working out right now. But even if I wear it, hell, I'm still getting something done, because you can sit around and put this on and you can sweat regardless. But today we're gonna be making the lava lip oil. If you ain't fighting to put it on, it's the wrong size, sis. So don't look at me like that. She ain't get that thing on. It's the right size. I want to zip my damn meat up in here because that hurt. I did it before. But we're gonna make the liquid, not the liquid. Girl, get your life together. We're going to be making the lava lip oil. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then of course you need to stay tuned so you can see. So I'm going to put this on right quick. Give y'all I ordered another storage unit, and it should be here soon. So I might do a video on actually putting that all together. But just do it. But we're going to be making the lava lip oils today. I already got the glycerin bottled up or whatever, so give me some time. But this is the my waist trainer, and if you want to see my before I started working out with my waist trainer, you can go to Lil Jazzy. Look, girl, get your life together. Jazzy little thing, which I'll put it over here, and see pretty much some of my journey where I have my little love handles. I call it fat meat. My fat meat over here, whatever. And yeah, you can wear it under or you can wear it over. Don't matter. But I'm putting on my little robe, and I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'm putting on gloves, but I'm still washing my hands, and then we can get started. So I'm gonna go wash my hands now. You stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Okay, I'm back with my gloves, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using. You're gonna need a bottle, a roll-on bottle, of course, the stopper, and the top to go to it. You're gonna need some pigment. You can use any type of pigment. You can use the pigments that you already got. Boom. And you're gonna need an empty container to mix your glycerin and your pigment together. I prefer using a stick for mixing, but you can use whatever your heart desires. And I have some flavoring if you want to, give it some scent. So I'm going to go ahead and put my castor oil inside of the tube, and I'm going to leave, some space. I'm going to put it about 3/4 full so I can leave some space for the color mixture. And then I'm going to put that to the side right quick, and I'm going to go ahead and put some glycerin. These will be available on site. I'm going to put some glycerin into my empty little bowl that I suggested you guys get from, Walmart or Dollar Tree to use for mixing, small samples or whatever. This would be one of those small samples that I was talking about. So you're going to put your pigment of choice. You can use mica powder or any pigment that you already have. It don't have to be special. You're going to mix it really good. And when I'm mixing, I always try to smash it against the sides of the bowl I'm mixing in to make sure I crush all the powder so I don't have any clumps or whatnot in there. I'm going to just keep mixing it until it's all mixed up together to my liking. If y'all had some carts rolling around, I'm sitting outside of Earth Fair where I came to see if they had some jackfruit. So mind your business. So I said, might as well go ahead and record because somebody wants to cut the grass and all you hear is the lawnmower right now. So yeah, that's why I'm doing a talk through. Bae wants to cut the grass right now. So I've got it all mixed up. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the bottle that I have my castor oil in. And castor oil without anything mixed in it, it has like a sweet taste, and it ain't like that castor oil my mom used to give me when we was little. Ooh, take the wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some in there. Yeah, I got a pretty steady hand. Hey, watch out now. And that's how it's gonna look. You can put as much in there as you want. You don't want to overpower it so you don't see it flowing through the oil. But you can put as much of that in there as you like. And the good thing with these are you don't have to worry about, okay, if you put it all the way to the top, it coming out like regular squeeze tubes when you put the, wand and inside the tube. That's the good thing about a roller bottle. But as you can see, look how pretty that is. And you can use, like I say, any color, pigment, or whatever that you already have. I started to do kits, but I was like, okay, most of the stuff you should already have. So why waste time doing kits when you can just make the other ingredients available? So I'm gonna go ahead and put some bubblegum flavoring. This is good stuff right here. I prefer if you mix it while it's outside of the bottle, so it's all in there. But this is my bottle right here that I'm showing you guys. So mind your business. Do what you want to do with yours. Okay. So that's how it looks. And I was trying to get a good shot, but y'all already know how it is. I'm going to sit aside a class for myself to work with this lighting and showing y'all stuff in this lighting because it ain't working for me. But this is how it looks. So just in case you didn't get it the first time, we're going to do that thing again. Get your bottle, fill up your bottle about 3/4 full of castor oil. Go ahead and put it down. This time we're going to use the purple. We're going to mix that. Yeah, I use the same stick on the other side. I save. Hey, I'm all about saving money. Look at that. Ain't that crude? And keep in mind, when you put these on, when you put it on, you just get oil in your lips, and as you use it, like some of the color will come out on your lip eventually. So we're going to go ahead and put some more in there. Ain't that crude? Look at it. Just look at it. I'm going to go ahead and clean off my top with a napkin, and I'm going to put my top stopper on in my top. And here goes the purple one, how it looks. There it is. Okay, here's a better view of it. This is a true color that I did outside for you guys to see. Don't come for my nails. Hey girl, hey. So here I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my lips for you guys. First I gotta get this camera right. There it is, boom. I'm gonna go ahead and get a paper towel and wipe off the gloss that I have on now. The one I got on now is Topless, the nude brown. In my Just Jazzy collection. So go ahead and wipe that off. And I got smoker's lips, so whatever. Yeah, my lips are dark naturally without the smoking. But I'm gonna go ahead and what's taking me so long? Gosh, girl, hurry up. I'm gonna go ahead and roll it on my lips. And keep in mind that as you use it, some of the color is going to come out on your lips. So when you're purchasing, you know, lip oil colors and everything, make sure that's a color that you like, because it's aesthetically pleasing, but it will be, you know, some of it will come out. But that's how it looks. And of course you can build up the gloss, you know, shine on your lips. I did my eyebrows for y'all today, honey. Yes, I even accentuated my little mole under my eye, which I seen a picture of Brandy the other day. That's why you can't lie when you putting on fake moles. When you forget to put that mole on, oh, we gonna notice. We gonna notice. Have the mole one day and the next day you ain't got no mole. So this is where I forgot that babe was cutting the grass outside. So yeah, let me go ahead and do this talk over right quick. So hit the bell so you'll be notified of more videos. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to be you, because only you can do it best. Deuces, till next video.